This video continues a series with the demo org called Hyrule Electronics, which I began in a previous video to describe the Experience Cloud site and ScreenFlow interest form designed for customers. The business use case presented here focuses specifically on the support team. In a recent stakeholder interview, the support manager shared a key pain point. He's noticed that when the team takes on too many tickets, the low priority cases get shoved aside or reassigned to other users without notice, so they often become swept under the rug and forgotten. In order to help low priority cases get resolved within 3 business days, he wants to be sure that team members are limited in the number of these cases they pick up before closing their current stack. Today's part of the solutioning and build will focus on this specific acceptance criteria. We have to be sure that cases from the website and those taken by phone call are tagged with the correct priority levels in Salesforce. Because I already created a web-to-lead ScreenFlow that automatically creates cases in certain instances, I first need to make sure that the priority is automatically set to low per the requirements for these created cases. I'm checking the fields and I'm seeing that priority is not set, so I'm going to fix that now and then attempt to debug and verify that it works. Skipping ahead, I checked the debug log to verify that yes, the record was created correctly, the priority set to low, but this isn't the end of the process. I also need to create a validation rule ensuring that the priority on this cannot be changed. Here you can see the case validation rule I've just created for matching the right origin to the right priority. In brief, this formula will ensure that for all cases set to new, working, and closed status, any that come from the web must be set to low priority, and those received over the phone must be set to high priority. If a user tries to change this, they cannot save the record and they'll receive an error message. Here's an example. This is a case origin of web, priority automatically set to low. If I attempt to change the priority, the error message pops up here at the bottom and I cannot save the record. There are, however, exceptions to this validation rule. Cases from a source other than from the phone or the web can be set to any priority at any time. In addition, if cases are moved to the escalated stage, they will automatically change ownership to the manager, who can then change the priority as needed of any record. I'll detail this particular process in another video. By updating the previously created ScreenFlow and activating the priority settings validation rule, I've accomplished the criteria of ensuring that cases from specific sources are set to the correct priorities and cannot be changed. If you watched all the way to the end, thank you. I'd love to know if this video is helpful to you and if there's any particular problem you'd like to see me solve in future demonstrations, so leave me a comment. Want to see more videos like this? Be sure to subscribe.